starting a new kitchen project here in Fairfax. We have plans and permits. Let's go inside. We'll be increasing height of this wall to fit 96-inch cabinets. Right now it is 84. And then we'll be moving gas range from here to here, and we'll be cancelling the window. And then we'll be redoing the hardwood floor. We'll refinish it and repair it. And then we'll extend the peninsula just a little bit. We are here in our countertop shop to show you guys our kitchen. So this is the end product.